Hello, Henson Huskies and Husky families. We here at Matthew Henson are very proud to announce that we are now offering curbside book pickup in our library. Every other Monday, we will have this opportunity for you to come by the school and collect a bag of books that students either place on hold or recommendations chosen for them based on a curbside survey they may submit if they do not have the exact title in mind. This video tutorial will walk you through both options so that the opportunity is available for everyone, especially with Thanksgiving break coming up and then shortly thereafter our winter break. It's very important to make sure that we are able to keep reading fantastic books, and since some things are only available in that physical form and some students prefer that format, this is perfect timing for curbside to begin. So you want to make sure you start at Destiny Discover, whether you're looking for digital or physical. And you need to make sure you log in, students. Remember that it gives you full access. So click the blue Charles County SSO bar, and you will likely automatically be connected. If you're logged in on Office 365 or Student View already, your computer will recognize and sync up. Otherwise, your ID at ccboe.com is your username, and your school password will remain your password. All of this information and reminders for this video are contained in our information box, as well as the learning links will have the video that we have recording here today and the curbside pickup survey. With that said, many of you probably have a specific title in mind. The easiest way to do your curbside holds is to search for what you are looking for in our search bar. You will see that every book in the library, both physical and ebook, will show up. There are 65 narrative books, and many of them are still checked out from the last school year. If that maybe is you, if you still have something checked out, please make sure you return your book as quickly as possible. But if you're looking for something and you happen to see that it is in with the green flag, you can click for more information to get the brief book description and place the book on hold with the hold button. That will send a notice to Mrs. Marchione and Miss Louie at the library, and we will be able to pull that book and have it ready for curbside pickup. You'll get an email shortly before the curbside pickup as a reminder that you have something on hold and it will be ready. You can also search by your favorite authors if you are interested, and you will again see all the results for that. We are fortunate to have some books and ebooks as both formats, and you are certainly welcome to use our ebooks still, but some books are only available in that physical form with the red book and labeled that way. So again, if you'd like to place holds, you are welcome to do so. I know that some people have also been interested in some of our popular series that we do not have digital copies of quite yet. So by all means, look for what you are interested in and place your holds. You are able to get up to 4 books in our curbside pickup. The only exception being if you still have books checked out from last year, we are going to limit you to only 1 book for curbside until you return your previous books. Remember, you can check that in your menu under checkouts. Right now, you'll see that I have an ebook checked out, and I recently checked out a book to myself for my own curbside. So if you still have something from last year, it will say overdue and have a red mark. Please make sure that gets back to us. So that is how you go about placing a hold if you have a specific title. You are able to do a little bit of searching here on Destiny Discover through the ribbons and threads, but our primary focus on the homepage is still going to be digital materials. So you'll see ebooks and audiobooks and interactive ebooks mostly featured. We did add the ribbon for our recently added books, books that were added in the spring or possibly very early fall, if you are interested in looking at some of the physical books that have recently come in. You can also still search by topic, and topics will now also include physical books. So if you are looking for a particular topic, you can see not only the ebooks available anymore, but regular books as well. So that might be a way to go about your search additionally if you don't have a specific title in mind. However, what could be easier is our other option for curbside. If you don't want to place the holds yourself, you can use our Curbside Survey, available on Destiny Discover and this email, and answer just a few questions for Mrs. Marchioni and Mrs. Louie to pull some books for you. The first question is for you to select your favorite genres of books to help us know what you are looking for in a book. You can click anything that is interesting to you, doesn't matter how many you check. Secondly, we'd like to know, if you can, a couple books that you have really loved in the past. That will again help the selection process. Another important part is what format. Are you looking for a novel, a graphic novel, or either one? The last few things are very easy. Is there anything specific that you're looking for in terms of a topic or an idea? And how many books would you like to check out this time? Again, you can select up to 4, as long as you don't have those previous checkouts that are still overdue. If you do, please just return those at your earliest convenience, and you will be able to get even more books in the next curbside. With that, we hope that you take advantage of this wonderful curbside pickup opportunity. If you have any questions, you can email Mrs. Marchioni through Synergy Mail or at jmarchioni@ccboe.com. Thank you so much, and we look forward to helping you with curbside. Happy reading, Huskies.